Welcome. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to make your phone type listed as work on LinkedIn. This is a simple yet important update that can enhance your professional profile. Let's dive right in. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your account to access your profile settings. Next, look for the Me icon located at the top left corner of your screen. This icon represents your profile and will take you to your account settings when clicked. Once you've tapped on the Me icon, navigate to Settings. From there, select Account Preferences. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your LinkedIn account. Now, under Profile Information, you will see an option for name, location, and industry. Click on this option to proceed with updating your contact information. After entering this section, find and click on the Edit icon next to your current contact information. This will allow you to make changes to how your phone number is displayed on your profile. You will then see an option labeled Edit Contact Info. Tap on it to access the phone number settings where you can specify the type of phone number you want to display. At this point, locate the phone type bar. Here, you will be able to choose how you want your phone number categorized. Select Work from the available options. This is crucial for ensuring that potential employers or connections recognize this number as a professional contact. Finally, don't forget to click Save after making these changes. This step is essential to ensure that all your updates are applied and visible on your profile. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily update your phone type to Work on LinkedIn, enhancing your professional presence on the platform. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your LinkedIn experience.